How to reduce ping in online games using DNS. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're getting high ping or lag spikes in your online games, changing your DNS can help reduce connection delays and improve stability. Let's just get started. So first thing you need to do is understand what DNS is. DNS, also known as Domain Name System, is like the internet's phone book. A faster DNS helps your device find game servers quicker, which can slightly lower your ping and reduce connection delays. So to get the best DNS, you can use the popular DNS like Google's DNS, Cloudflare's, or OpenDNS. Now to change your DNS on Android, you first have to go to your settings, and once on your settings menu, go to connections. From there, you can easily find more connection settings. Then go over to private DNS. Then tap on private DNS provider host name. Then you can easily enter this DNS right here, which is 1.1.1.1.cloudflare-dns.com. This is for your Cloudflare's DNS. If you want to use Google's DNS, you can do 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4. Then, if you want to only change DNS on your Wi-Fi settings, you can do that as well. For that, go over to your Wi-Fi settings. Tap on the gear icon right beside it. Tap on the drop down. And from here, you can easily go ahead and change your DNS. So from the IP settings, change this to static and easily enter your DNS right here. So that's basically it, guys. Now once you have done that, tap on save and you should be good to go. Now restart your network after DNS change. You want to restart your Wi-Fi settings. For that, you can always toggle on airplane mode for a few seconds. This will force a fresh connection and apply the DNS properly. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.